Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am Vladimir the Great and you are here to watch and entertain yourselves as I try to remove that bed. So here I am, we've got the backhoe, that's all fired up. We've got the Chevy truck carrying the Dodge bed. Now that bed is for one of my trucks. One of my trucks got hit and it had some rust, so I decided to buy a brand new bed. Now this is a 2024 and it's gonna go on a 2011 Dodge Ram 2500 diesel. Now I'm a huge fan of Dodge trucks, but my number 2 truck is a Chevy truck. I love my little Chevy truck. I drive it every day and I use it to the max. Now today, stick around. Man, I feel like that's a little bit more dangerous than I want it to be. So here we are. The bed is leaning sideways, and what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to drive the truck from... Guys, I don't think that's safe. Now, we don't have a second chance at this. We just gotta do it. So I'm just doing it. Let's see what happens. Oh man. Guys, that's a little bit more scarier than I want it to be. Oh, it's hanging on there, guys. This is great. All right, I think it'll work. Let's give it a shot. Now don't forget, this is a 2024 brand new takeoff bed. So this is how we are taking it off. All right, I think we're doing pretty good. I'm pretty happy about this. Look at it. It's just hanging in there pretty good. I don't know if it's safe to walk under here, but this is a brand new bed. Oh, look at that. Boy, if this fell, it would crush me. Here we go. Get the chain moved over here. Ow. Alright. So here's what we got. I also got a new bumper. This thing is pretty nice. Don't look at some of the minor scratches. Oh wait, I also got some tail lights. So the goal is to set these right under it. Just like that. Yeah, I think that'll be great. this other one right here. All right, I think we can drop it. All right, and this party is over. We have officially removed the bed. All right, yeah, it's not as great as I wanted it to be, but whatever, it's off. All right. So, guys, just for reference, I don't think I've ever had anything this nice and this new. That's brand new. All right. Oh, and the truck is overheating slightly. We don't have fans on here yet. Let's see if we can cool that down some. Whew. Is it cooling down?